Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope you are always healthy and happy. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's say basmalah together. From the material, there are learning objectives. Students know what is analytical exposition, the purpose, the function, generic structure. Student can make summary from the video, and student can make exposition text. Okay, let's talk about analytical exposition. Exposition text is divided into two, namely hortatory exposition and analytical exposition. A little discuss about hortatory exposition. Hortatory exposition is an exposition that serves to persuade and convince the reader of something that is happening. In this material, we will explore deeply about analytical exposition. Now, we talk about definition. Analytical exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon surrounding. Its social function is to persuade the reader that the idea is important matter, and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is correct by developing an argument to support it. Next, function. The social function is to persuade the reader that the idea is important and to analyze the topic that the thesis or opinion is correct by developing an argument to support it. And then the purpose, to convince the reader that the topic presented was an important topic to be discussed or gain attention by way of providing argument or opinion that support the main idea or topic. Next, generic structures. There are three generic structures: thesis, argument, and reiteration. Thesis, introducing the topic and indicating the writer's point of view. Argument, explaining the argument to support the writer's position. The number of arguments might vary, but each argument must be supported by evidence and explanation. And then reiteration, stating the writer's point of view or to strengthen the thesis. We can use the following phrase to make conclusion in reiteration. There are from the page above. I personally believe, therefore my conclusion is. In conclusion, what is the characteristic of analytical exposition? And then language feature. Using relational process, using internal conjunction, using causal conjunction, using simple present tense, using compound and complex sentence, use words that link argument such as firstly, secondly, and reasoning through causal conjunction, such as in addition, furthermore, however, therefore. And now we talk about example of analytical exposition. Okay. In the explanation from car and accident is thesis, and then the word from firstly and thirdly, paragraph 2 and until 4 is argument, and then the last in conclusion is reiteration. You can read by yourself. Okay, now I will show you the video about example analytical exposition. about how to reduce pollution.
These are 3 R's. Why?
Oh, to reduce pollution, we should remember these 3 R's.
3 R's, 3 R's, 3 R's. What does it mean?
The first R means reuse.
What it means?
It means try to reuse things. Like these empty cartons can be reused.
Yes, we can use the backside of these pamphlets for the rough work. Reuse! Oh, this water is going waste. Let's turn it off.
Oh, this is the second R.
What is that?
We should reduce wastage of things.
Oh, R for reducing.
See, the second light is of no use when the main light is on.
Yes.
See, these matchsticks are made of wood which comes from the trees.
Yes, if we use more matchsticks, trees would be cut and there would be less oxygen.
Yes, we should use more of lighters and save trees.
Oh, even these chopsticks come from trees?
Yes, we should either use spoons or we should use metal chopsticks.
Reduce! What is the third R?
That is recycle.
Recycle?
See here, this water can be used in watering the plants.
Oh yes, that way we can recycle water. Recycle?
Now you know how we can help in reducing pollution?
Yes, now let's not speak. We would reduce noise pollution.
Okay, student. I hope you get from our material today. If you do not understand, you can ask me in our Google Classroom. And you have to task 1. Make a summary from the video. And the second, make the paragraph about analytical exposition, write in a document Word file, and send our Google Classroom. Okay, I think enough for the material today. I hope you can understand for the material. Let's say hamdalah together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.